Hi beautiful people, thank you very much for watching my videos. Now we have incredible online school where you can learn all these beautiful hairstyles. If you want to make a beautiful rose, you don't have to take a lot of hair. As you can see, it's not that much, it's almost transparent, right? So what we're gonna do here, you have to really find where you want to place your rose. So we are backcombing the roots only at the first, okay? And we are putting the clip like this, opening wide. And very good. Hairspring inside, and we are backcombing again all the hair from the roots. For example, it should go like 20 centimeters. So we are backcombing very gently, as you can see. We are teasing the hair, but on the top it's clean. But here is we have backcombing, teasing hair, right? On the top is clean. So we are going like that, and then on the top we are brushing, making very smooth. Also this side. I'm pushing all the hair like this to the middle. It should be like thin like this, okay? It don't have to be fat. I'm gonna do here, right? And so I'm holding like this, like cutting the hair, and then I'm gonna wrap to my finger one time. Very good, very tight. As you can see, this is very tight and very small. And then we need to put to the roots the pins. At least it should be 3 pins. And then I'm putting clip to maintain the line. Then it's gonna be more easy for me to work with the lines. Okay? And then I go like that. And now, and this, I didn't backcomb, right? So we need to comb it very good. We need to comb it very good, very gently. And then, look, I'm holding like this very close, opening the end a little bit, and cleaning up all the short hairs. So as you can see, roots is touching the base. Yeah, it's very important. Only the end is you open it. And then when you feel that's totally good, you can put another clip like this. Again, if you want to work with this hair, you need to comb one more time, and then I go like that. As you can see, only the end is, I am opening like this, little bit, not that much. As you can see, it's open very gently, and you have to hairspray inside and outside, both sides, like that, and like this. And I'm cleaning up with my hand, especially the end of the lines, because we have short hair which is stuck out here. I have these short hairs coming, right? So I don't need to work with them because it's not gonna look good. So I'm trying to clean up and wrap this hair like this. So we are finished with the rose, as you can see. Now we're gonna put some layers. So I'm gonna show you different variation how you can make the layer. We take a little piece of hair from the ponytail like this, and then I'm putting this hair very close to the roots, like so. Holding very close to the roots and then opening it, like this. Hairspraying both sides again. So like this, we are trying to make a layers, okay? So you can maintain this line with some pins and putting very close again to the roots. So we are taking like this quantity of hair, and then we separate for 3 sections, 1, 2, and 3. It should be same quantity, same piece, okay? Then we are start braiding 1, 2, 3. And this one, for example, I'm combing very good. Inside, also very good combing. And I'm braiding very soft and gentle, okay, like this. This is ends. And then I start pulling this hair. As you can see, almost the same lines here. Looks so good. And then you hairspray inside and outside the same thing. Open it very wide, and it should be same line, okay? Don't have to be too big and too small. It should be looks like each other. And then all the hair we take again like this, and look at this magical moves. So we take all this hair like this, and we just wrap it. That's all. As you can see, we have beautiful layers. Wrap it to our hair like so. As you can see now, form looks even much better.